Hello there, folks. Today, I'm going to share with you an exciting way to make money using AI. Stay tuned, because this could be a game changer. Step 1. Start by identifying your passion or area of expertise. Whether it's art, writing, or even data analysis, AI can be applied to almost any field. Step 2. Learn the basics of AI. You don't need to be a tech genius. There are plenty of online courses and resources to help you get started. Step 3. Leverage AI tools and platforms. You can use AI-powered apps for content creation, market analysis, or even chatbots to engage with customers. Step 4. Create AI-driven content or services. For instance, if you're a content creator, use AI to enhance your videos, generate articles, or automate social media posts. And there you have it. With passion, a bit of AI knowledge, and creativity, you can make money using AI in various ways. The future is here, and it's exciting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Goodbye for now, and happy AI-powered money making.